Hi, today we're going to be talking about making wood splints for baskets. Wood splints come from brown, black ash, and oak trees. Ash is a preferred tree to make splints. The best ash for basket making are those that are grown vigorously during the summer months, creating the dense growth rings which are selected. Selected trees are about 4 to 6 inches in diameter and in at least a 6 foot of straight branch free trunk, because branches produce knots which interfere with splint making. Trees must be selected, cut, and immersed in a body of water, swamp, bog, or pond for a month or up to a year. Once thoroughly soaked, the ash logs must be debarked using a draw knife or a spud specifically designed for the task. While it retains moisture, the log is seared along its length and width of the splints, following the natural grain of the wood. The log is then pounded down its length at close intervals with a wooden maul to separate the layers and lift the wood splints. If the raw wood splints were thick, they could be further slit down with a device called a splitter.
Usually pull on a happier side too, so it doesn't. I learned that from my friend Sheila. Set the pull on a side that's got more on it. See the silky? That's what you're looking for.
Okay.
And then if you split it again, it'll be silky on two sides.
So you get those tiny little ones.
Using one's knees to apply pressure to the splints, which are pulled apart with one's hands. The wood splints would be coiled up, dried, and stored for later finishings. Splints were soaked again and refined with planes, draw sheaves, crooked knives, and basket gouges to trim splints to the proper thickness and width needed. Centuries ago, wood splints were made.
The more you can clean it, see that's
I don't know, I might think that the barbers use.
yeah. The basket maker too has their favorite knife. I know the summer I lost mine. I had it. Little knot there.
Is that like a branch?
Uh-huh. I have to cut the edges off. But when we get ready to split it,
From hand by First Nations. Crooked knives originally had a beaver incisor for a blade, probably around the 1515, but by the 1600s, it had a metal blade set at an angle into a wooden handle. Basket makers work with different materials: black ash, cedar bark, sweetgrass. Usually can be distinct of their of their tribe and location with their basket making. Thank you for watching and have a nice night. I would like to thank my Aunt Nancy Ransom, for her knowledge that she passed on to me, and her videos and pictures of her basket making and splint making tools that she uses to make her baskets. And again, thank you for all your help.